Today, Keaton's gonna be teaching us how to make microwave s'mores.
First, get a graham cracker. You can buy these at Walmart, Target, or a gas station. Then you get a marshmallow, and you can buy these at Walmart, Target, or the gas station. And of course, you need chocolate. And then then you can buy these at Walmart, Target. Oh, it's melting in my hand. Walmart, Target, or the gas station.
That's not your mom.
So, these are microwave marshmallows, so you need to put them in the microwave. So when you put this on this, on the graham cracker and the marshmallow, and you buy both of these at Walmart, Target, or the gas station. Oh shit, it wasn't on a plate. And then the marshmallow will be melting like that, and it's gonna be hot, so watch out. It's falling off there. So then you take the chocolate, you see I ate some of it.
Savage beast.
I'm sorry guys, I just like to eat a lot. Then you put it on there. And then you can eat it. And it's really yummy. It's yummy. And you can buy any of these special products to make microwave s'mores with.
Chocolate, marshmallows, graham crackers.
And you can buy any of those products at Walmart, Target, or the gas station.
None of these products were artificially flavored.